Missing Amex Signup bonus? Here's exactly what to do in 1 minute. Common reasons: waiting period, missed spending tracking, or sign up not linked. Step 1. Confirm the offer details and full-time window in your Amex account. Step 2. Verify qualifying purchases match the offer categories and dates. Step 3. Check posted transactions versus pending charges and cumulative totals. If everything looks right, wait 2 billing cycles before disputing. Step 4. Gather evidence, screenshots of offer, statements, and transaction timestamps. Step 5. Use in-app secure message or call the number on your card. Hi, I met the spend requirement for offer ending MM/DD. Points missing. Please review my attached statements and post the sign-up bonus to my account. If unresolved, request a specialist and include your secure message ID. Track replies, confirm points posted, and follow up until resolved. Save all screenshots.